Hi, this is my project interview scheduler built for Microsoft Hack Together competition, and this is basically a project which is an automated tool for recruiters to schedule interviews on Teams. And what it does is basically it creates a Teams meeting link based on a specific time and day, and it will send an email notification to both the interviewer and the interviewee, notifying them of the scheduled interview. And basically the recruiter needs to provide a CSV file which has all the information like the name of the interviewee, the email ID, time of interview, interviewer details like name and email ID. So all of this is provided, and using the .NET SDK for Microsoft Graph, the mails are sent and also the Teams meeting is scheduled. Now moving on to the demo of the project. So we can open a terminal and enter the command .NET run to run the application. So we will get a welcome message and also a notification so that we can make a specific CSV file as well. And we can click on the link to login. We need to log in as we use the Microsoft Graph API to send the emails and for the Teams meeting. So I'll just give it the access and click on continue. It has now, it will get updated on the app as well. So it has also detected my name and email ID, and I press 1 to schedule the interviews. I'll give the path to my CSV file, which is sample.csv, and now it will be sending mails to the interviewee and the interviewer. So it will take data from the CSV file and send emails and let the recruiter know as well that the interview has been scheduled. So once all the mails have been sent, we will get notified that all the interviews have been scheduled, and we can just press 0 to exit. Now moving on to the mails that have been sent. So we can see the mails, like the interview invitation was sent in this format, where basically you have the time and date and basically the link to join the meeting as well. And if you are an interviewer, so you will get a mail that you have been assigned an interview with the candidate name and also the same link to join the meeting. Now moving on to the CSV file as provided. So basically the recruiter needs to provide a CSV file which has the name of the interviewee and the email IDs and the interview time, and both the date and time, and the interviewer name and the interviewer mail. So this data is provided, and based on that the mails are sent. In future I would like to add the feature so that the interviewer time is taken from their calendar, and based on that there's allotted their slots. Currently the recruiter will need to do this task manually.